Get ready to meet the OnePlus 12, the phone that redefines luxury and power, from its stunning design to its incredible performance. This flagship device does more than just look good. Today, we're taking a deep dive into everything that makes this phone a true game changer. From its amazing cameras to its fast charging and the new features that set it apart from the competition. Let's discover the OnePlus 12. In terms of design, the OnePlus 12 feels very premium in terms of materials, texture and handling. Everything about this device exudes luxury, just like other flagship devices. We're talking about the usual design consisting of a glass front and back. In this version, there's a distinctive texture with a grid pattern, which is something the parent company Oppo has used in Reno devices and others, and we've seen it in several Chinese devices. The device is rounded on all sides and corners with no sharp edges, making it almost identical to the design of the Oppo X7 Ultra. In terms of dimensions and size, the device is nearly identical, except it's slightly thinner. This device also shares several features with the Oppo X7 Ultra, such as the side switch button, a feature that started with OnePlus and was later transferred to Oppo devices. As for sound, the device has the same stereo speakers that deliver similar sound levels. It also has the same under-display fingerprint sensor, which was very responsive and I didn't encounter any issues with it. The main difference between this device and the Oppo X7 Ultra is water and dust resistance. The OnePlus 12 has an IP65 rating instead of IP68. Other than that, almost everything is identical, even the screen, which is 6.82 inches with a Quad HD Plus resolution and LTPO AMOLED technology. The screen features a 120Hz refresh rate and 10-bit color depth, making it almost identical to the Oppo X7 Ultra screen, except for the brightness level, which has been slightly reduced. It reaches around 1600 nits in high dynamic range mode and can heat up to 4500 nits in certain areas, which is an impressive figure. But this doesn't apply to the entire screen. The big differences, however, appear in the cameras. The main 50 megapixel camera comes with a slightly smaller sensor, but it's optically stabilized. The zoom camera is 64 megapixel with a 3x optical zoom. The ultra-wide camera is a bit different, with a 48 megapixel sensor that lacks optical stabilization. Overall, these three cameras delivered excellent results in terms of clarity and detail. The zoom camera performed exceptionally well, and it can be combined with digital zoom to achieve up to 10 times or even 30x zoom. The ultra-wide camera was sharp and lacked the softness often found in mid-range devices. Another distinguishing feature of the device is the color science, with special software features added to provide natural color gradation. The selfie camera is 32 megapixel, the same as in the Oppo X7 Ultra, and supports 4K video recording, although the processor is capable of supporting 8K. However, this option is not available in the software. Regarding the software, the OnePlus 12 runs on Oxygenos, which is very similar to Oppo's ColorOS, with minor differences in some apps like the OnePlus Community app. Unfortunately, in terms of overall experience, the two devices are almost identical. As for the battery, the OnePlus 12 has a 5900 mAh battery and supports 100 watt wire charging and 50 watt wireless charging. It also supports 10 watt reverse wireless charging. The processor is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the same one found in many flagship devices this year, providing excellent performance in games without any lag or noticeable heat issues. Another key difference is that the OnePlus supports eSIM, which the Oppo device lacks. If you travel frequently, this is a huge advantage. Regarding the price, the 12GB RAM version of the OnePlus 12 is priced at around $700, which is an excellent price compared to competing devices like the Google Pixel and Samsung Galaxy, which are priced around $1,000. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. There are more tutorials waiting for you on the Top Mag 4 channel. Don't hesitate to subscribe and become part of the family.